for right now, I'm just going to show you just a simple step. This is diagnosing why this tire is not fit for road consumption. So I can have a list view where it's not in 3D space, and I can look at all the different information here, like looking at images that are referenced as to why something doesn't flow the way it should or why things are broken. I can also look at, we've got video, we've got audio, we've got all types of great content that you can put in here that you can either create, the creators, or we can help you create it as well. So let's say you want to look at this in spatial view like we were just speaking about. I then hit the AR mode, I scan marker, all right, so now you can see that there are virtual pins on top of that tire. And so there are different steps here, like step 1, step 2, step 3, that all have different types of content for me. And while it does look a little bit zoomed out right now, I have the ability to zoom in and out at my own will because it's in 3D space, right? So content gets bigger and smaller as I need it to be, whether that's rotated this way or this way. And then at the same time, I can look at that content just like I was in the 3D list or the 2D list view. And then on top of all that, let's say I'm diagnosing something and this piece of content or this procedure has a 3D model that says, you know what, you need to look for this specific thing. So I've actually got a tire right here, and I've made it a little bit smaller because I'm going to bend down and show you, but just look over my shoulder and you can see here that this tire actually has some angled wear on it. And that's not fit for road consumption there. You can't put that on the road. It's going to mess up. So whenever you're diagnosing those types of things, you can actually look at the 3D model and then the 2D model, or the actual tire at the same time. So you're referencing exactly what you should be looking for at any given time on any piece of the truck.
And they have 13 different types